Koha. When it's your birthday, I'll give you a koha.
Present.
Yeah. Oh.
A gift.
Yeah, gift. That's correct. Tangi. Putting it in a sentence. When you had your noodles, it made you tangi.
Cry.
Yeah. Yeah. Next word. Kuri. At your house, you got 2 kuri.
Oh, dogs.
Yep. Hey, see, easy, bro.
Yeah.
You're pretty much Māori now. Puku. When you eat too much, you get a big puku. You get
belly.
yeah, pretty much stomach.
Stomach.
Yeah. Nono. When you squat a lot, you get a big nono.
Butt.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah. Wai. When you're hot, you like to drink a bottle of wai.
Water.
Yeah. Wai Māori. And then last one, oma.
Oh my god.
Travis, you need to go for oma.
A walk.
I was close.
A run.
Yeah, amen, brother.
Yeah. Ka kito whana.
That's correct. That's on.